हाई नमस्ते सम्पूर्णलाई। आज चाहिँ हामी नेपाली कल्चर सोसाइटी अफ म्यानिटोबाद्वारा आयोजित यो न्यू इयर पार्टी नयाँ वर्ष 2082 को पार्टीमा छौँ। बहुल जाति संस्कृति हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल। यहाँ चाहिँ समोसा रहेछ है, स्प्रिङ रोल, भेज नुडल्स, चिकन मोमो, फ्राई चिकन मोमो है। अनि चाहिँ टुप्रे अचारहरू छ सँगै आएको।
पहिला नि भएको थियो
होइन अघि अघि
समोसा नराख्नु नानीको लागि चाहिँ।
फेरि एकचोटि आउँछु म लिन। हुन्छ नानीहरूलाई
नानीको लागि मेरो लागि
दुईपट्टि भन्नुपर्ने को अरे दुईपट्टिबाट को अरे सजिलो यता अचार त खानुहुन्न होला नि। एकजना हजुरबालाई लगिदिनु
अहिले हिँड्नु, म चिया सिया लिन आउँछु फेरि। तपाईँलाई चिया कि कोक ल्याइदिनु?
Hello everyone, सबैजनाले जसले फलफुलहरू मात्र ग्रहण गर्नुहुन्छ यो हलको यता साइडमा व्यवस्था गरिएको छ। कृपया त्यता गरिदिनु होला। फलफुल मात्र खानुहुने महानुभावहरूको लागि।
भयो बाटो बनाउनु पर्यो बाटो बनाउनु पर्यो बाटो बनाउनु
अनि आइडीमा केही नहुने भएर अनि त्यो भएर केही पनि गरिएन
Just to like see polar bears.
यो हेर्ने त म चिया लिएर आउँछु चिया लिने कोक
चिया खाने हो
चिया खाने तपाईँ कोक खानुहुँदैछ चिया
मैले यही खान्छु भयो मलाई
बाबु अहिले चाहिँ खाजा हो यो स्न्याक हो यो
वेट वेट टिस्यु नै ल्याएको त मैले साथी
यसलाई के दिने होला वेट छोरी वेट अच्छा बाबुले चाहिँ समोसा खाने के समोसा खाने मिठो छ बाबु मिठो छ आमाले खाएको हेर न दिदीले खाएको ल
छोरामा पानी खुलाइदिन्छु नि जुस खाने बाबु जुस छैन नामी खाउँदैन
अहिले चाहिँ एक प्लेट खाइयो होइन तर अझै नपुगेर हामीले चाहिँ यो समोसा ल्यायो मोमो फ्राई ल्यायो स्प्रिङ रोल ल्यायो यो मोमो चाहिँ धेरै चुराको अर्डर हो स्प्रिङ रोल कसले खाने हो समोसा मेरै हो मिठो छ ल खानुहोस् ल
देखेर अब हाम्रो अर्को डान्स गर्न किड्सको टोली आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ
त्यति न त्यहाँभित्र गयो
नाना खाने होइन
सोफीले लिएर गयो यस्तो
तारा Anjana Patel, President, NCSM. She also contributed in collecting greetings, reaching out to the community leaders, business entrepreneurs, as well as political leaders to collect the greetings and the funding. Thank you, Anjana, for your effort as well. Ashish Sharma, one of our most influential member of the community of the team, who contributed overall design of the newsletter, as well as page setup and all the computer works. You can see there are 33 greetings and then 14 advertisement and other greetings. All are designed by Ashish Sharma. He put a lot of effort on it. Finally, I'd like to invite Ashish Mishra, who is also a part of the team. He contributed on collecting the NCSM activities throughout the year and providing many other supports, including the event pictures. Finally, I myself contributed as the chief, editor-in-chief. I'm working on this role since last 3 volumes, and we are bringing on time. My role actually was to communicate on time.
Who we all have here in Winnipeg. Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. Wow, I cannot even see the end of the hall. How is everyone doing at the back? Good. And spring is here. I still remember last year at the AGM, before the AGM, I presented MLA's recognition to the NCSM and the community to celebrate the new year. And I see the community continue to grow and thrive under the great leadership of NCSM. So on behalf of our Premier Wolf Kidu and all of my colleagues at Vancouver Legislature, I want to wish you all happy the Party New Year.
Your dedication, time, effort and expertise in training our young generation in sport while promoting sponsorship and overall sportsmanship and overall well-being are deeply appreciated. Thank you. Now one more, the last one is Mr. Subhas. Again, I would like to invite his son, Mr. Sriam Daha, to accept his appreciation letter. First of all, I want to read the last sentence what we wrote here. Mr. Daha, your dedication, time, effort and expertise in training our young generation in sports while promoting sponsorship and overall well-being are deeply appreciated. Thank you. Thank you all for waiting this long to watch Nepali School Appreciation.
Thank you, Suresh Sai. Thank you, Suresh.
His tireless effort to continue Nepali language and the culture in Manitoba. I would like to read this appreciation letter, certificate of appreciation. This certificate is proudly awarded to Dr. Purushottam Raj Singh in recognition of 12 years of dedicated service, 2011 to 2023, as the founding coordinator of Nepali Language School in Winnipeg. Dr. Singh, we deeply appreciate your selfless efforts, which have left an enduring legacy in preserving the Nepali language and culture in Winnipeg. Thank you so much. I would like to request President Anjana Patel to hand over this plaque to Dr. Singh. Thank you so much. Once again, Happy New Year and good night.
Thank you very much. धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद एनसीएसएम ज्ञाननजी र सबै सहभागी नेपाली कक्षाका सबै भलन्टियर साथीहरू। यसरी तपाईहरुको चाहिँ सम्झिनुभयो। सायद यसमा चाहिँ सबैको सहयोग भएकोले नै सायद हामी त्यति टाढासम्म जान पनि सक्यौं र यसको निरन्तरता जुन अहिले भइरहेको देखेको छु, यसको चाहिँ जुन सफलता र चाहिँ यसमा चाहिँ संख्याहरू पनि बढ्दै छन्, धेरै धेरै खुसी लागेको छ र यसरी नै सबैलाई समेटेर हामी सबै अगाडि बढौं। सबैलाई एकमुष्ट फेरि पनि नयाँ वर्षको शुभकामना र हामीले सुरु गरेका क्रियाकलापहरू सधैँ अगाडि बढोस्, सधैँ हाम्रा नयाँ पुस्ताले चाहिँ सम्झोस् हामीलाई र यति भन्दै मेरो 2 शब्द टुङ्ग्याउँछु। धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई।
नमस्ते नमस्ते सबैले नाम भनिदिन्छ एकचोटि नाम
आर्य उपाध्याय
आर्य उपाध्याय
सोफी दाहाल प्रस्तुति तिमसिरा परिशास्ता
अनि आज के गीतमा नाच्ने
कश्मीरे
पछौरी दुईजना केटा दुईजना केटा ओके बेस्ट अफ लक
Sophie, Arya, Pari and Prastuti.
न मैं सुना